G'day guys, I'm doing a little repair here at the moment, and it was starting to look interesting, so I thought, oh shit, I should be recording this. So here I am recording it. So basically I've got a good condition light here. My other one's smashed, I'll show you that in a sec. Only problem with this one is it's missing, I got it cheap, but it's missing the tags off the top, broken off. So on my other broken case I still had tags, so the rest of it's all smashed up, so I couldn't just take the whole back off. But what I'm doing now is I've cut these off the donor case and I'm getting ready to plastic weld those on and then use some headlight. So this one here I've just shaped to fit in here. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure this one's going to fit really well. I come around the front, similar thing, just get in there and really penetrate the join, get both sides to melt together and meld together. Basically, you know, the plastic just puddles. Now some of it does burn off, so that's where you need the rod to, you know, the extra fill. So it's looking pretty good there now. So this is where, it's a bit dirty, but anyway. I get the fill in here and I just, and it's just like solder, I guess, on a, you're just filling, melting it and blending it back into that crack, just so there's a bit more plastic there. Okay, so again, I'm just going to come along and melt and just shape and flatten, sort of ironing it out a bit. Now I've seen guys do little tests on these welds and they actually hold up as good as the original plastic. So they're not the actual weak point, believe it or not. I can't remember who I seen this little tutorial thing from, but I've been doing it for years myself now. It's awesome for fixing motorbike plastics. Gonna go. So that's been sitting there for 10 minutes now, and that's that seems pretty good. I'm just gonna merge the plastics a little bit higher up here. This is the one I've prepared a little bit better, so that's a nice rock solid thing there. Now I'm wondering if I should glue that first with a bit of headlight. No, I won't actually, it might pollute the plastic. I'll just do a plastic weld. Okay, just similar thing to what I did before. Just jabbing and melding the two plastics together. And some people might be wondering why I'm even doing this. Why not just buy a new light? Well, the reason is this light's about 800 Australian dollars, and I think that's on a good day. They're quite expensive. I managed to get this one second hand in its current condition for $100. So that's a pretty nice saving. And when you've got 4 motorbikes, you can't be spending too much money on them because it gets expensive enough just paying registrations and everything. Right, so Let's make a nice deep puddle. Don't want to burn it too much, you just want it to melt so you don't leave the soldering iron in there too long. Okay, just going to let that cool down, make sure it's straight. Yep. Right, now I'm going to come around the front here and same thing, just stab at it, puddle. I'm going to get my welding rod in there, or my fill rod I should say, which again is just a zip tie. Burn it off. There we go. And yep, just pull it in. Right. So that's quite a strong joint there already now, and what I plan to do is put some araldite around it just to help, I guess, structurally, because it is an important load bearing part of the, everything seems to hang off this point, which is why it broke. So I want to make it stronger than the original. So now I just got to check, make sure my holes are lining up. Oh, lovely. They seem to be lining up nicely. Very good indeed. Okay, take that out, get ready to araldite. Now I do have another bit here that was broken. I've ordered a new one, but it's going to be 5 weeks, so I might just plastic weld this and try and make it look pretty so I can put the bike back together and just ride it until the this bit gets into the country. Again, try not to breathe the fumes. I should get my ventilation mask out actually, but then you won't be able to hear my amazing commentary. Now, to reinforce the plastic weld that little bit extra, I've got this JB Weld Plastic Weld. World's strongest bond trademark, so that's probably a load of bullshit. They've just... That blows me away, you can trademark it, something like that. That's just a statement. How can you trademark a statement? Okay, so it's a quick setting epoxy, 5 minutes, translucent yellow. So I'm gonna make a fair bit good bit of mix for it. Yep, okay. Whew. Alright, there we have it. Now, it's very fast setting, so I'm gonna be careful here and just really get it in there to where it needs to be. Whew. She stinks. an hour to cure, 5 minutes to set. So that's great. I can move on to another task. Thanks for watching.